can use the inflation kit to repair a damaged tire as long as any punctures are not on the sidewall and do not exceed 6 mm. Before carrying out the repair, park your vehicle away from traffic, turn on your hazard warning lights, and remember to apply your parking brake. The inflation kit is kept in the toolkit, under the luggage compartment carpet. Next, connect the inflation bottle connector to the valve on the wheel. Depending on model, connect or screw the compressor hose to the bottle. Finally, connect the electric power cable to the accessories socket. Turn the engine on, then start the compressor to achieve the required pressure. The tire pressure specifications are on the driver's side door frame. If a minimum pressure of 1.8 bar has not been reached after 15 minutes, the repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. If, on the other hand, the recommended pressure has been exceeded, press this button to reduce it. As soon as the repair is done, drive for about 2 miles at below 35 miles per hour in order to distribute the product uniformly in the tire, then stop and check the pressure. Please note that tire pressures should only be checked when tires are cold. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar but lower than recommended, readjust it with the inflation kit. If the pressure is below 1.3 bar, this means that a repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. Note that this repair is only temporary. It will allow you to drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour for a distance of no more than 120 miles.